fresh-faced. Academy Award winner Catherine Zeta-Jones stunts in a new makeup-free selfie. Catherine Zeta-Jones has mastered the art of the weekend selfie. The actress, 51, shared a makeup-free snapshot on Saturday and joked about showing her cleavage as a last resort. The mom of two stunned in the close-up of her face from the bathroom. Saturday selfie. The Academy Award winner captioned the post. "You asked for it and here it is, smiley face. This was the best of the bunch, folks. The others were full-on mug shots, smiley face, seriously. Rancid to be precise. Note, added a bit of cleavage as a last resort. Happy Saturday, friends." The selfie comes after the actress celebrated an exciting family milestone. Catherine shared a throwback video of her daughter Catherine Zeta-Douglas, 18, whom she shares with husband Michael Douglas, on Instagram to celebrate her youngest child preparing to begin her first year of college. The couple, who have been married for 21 years, also share son Dylan Michael Douglas, 21, together. The sweet clip features a much younger Karis as she shared photos of Arctic baby animals from a picture book, including some types of tigers and polar bears. Catherine captioned the post, "The road to higher education begins on the bathroom floor, with limited teeth, thus the lisp, and a passion for books. Karis is packing her bags and I am looking at old videos." Related gallery. Celebs rocking the no makeup trend, pics. She added with laugh emojis, "Don't tell her I posted this." Prior to the big day, her daughter celebrated her 18th birthday earlier this year in April. Both her famous parents paid homage to her on their respective Instagram pages. "You are everything, and everything is you. Thank you for the joy you bring me," the actress wrote, in part, while Dad Michael gushed, "You know how much I love you, how proud I am of you, and the joy I have watching you grow into the young lady you are turning out to be." While on Today last July, above, Catherine offered insights on life at home with her family amid coronavirus quarantine. "Michael and I were kind of early empty nesters because our son Dylan is off at college and our daughter, Karis, goes to school in Europe," she said. "So all of a sudden they descended on back into our home and it was just wonderful. It was just breakfast, lunch, and dinner all together.